Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amazon Basics backpack for SLR cameras and accessories. The variant that's inside this box is the black variant, and this is more or less all the information we have on this box. As you can see, there is literally nothing on it. So I'm going to open this box and show you what the bag looks like. So this is what the camera bag looks like. There are 3 zips here. This is the first one. There you can see this is the first zip. This is the tertiary zip basically. Then we have the secondary zip. So there you go. There's some pouches here. There's a pouch over here, and there is a mesh pouch on this side as well for different accessories and elements. And finally, this is the main compartment of the camera bag. There you can see this is the main compartment. There are some pouches and extra zips here. There are 2 zips here in fact. There are also mesh zips, so has kind of a waterproof design, so that when you keep it inside this pouch, it won't get affected with water. This is the second pouch. Notice that the zips are also protected by this leather covering, or rather pleather covering, not exactly leather. And finally, we have this segment. This is the part where the camera, the lenses, etc., everything goes in. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9 compartments. And not just that, these compartments come with this particular Velcro attachment. I don't know if you can see this. There you can see. There, notice that this Velcro attachment right over here. So all of these compartments come with these Velcro attachments, which means you can customize them to however you want it to be. So now I have more space here instead of say over here. Ideally this is where the camera should go in, but if you don't want the camera to be there, you can move it around like this and form more compartments. So 3 compartment became, so now there are 3 plus some more compartments over here as well. So you can basically use permutation and combination to figure out the different holding areas, but by default there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, and this is where the camera goes in. For the purpose of video, I have some camera equipment like a camera, a couple of lenses, sound equipment, wires, adapters, etc., chargers, adapters, etc. So the idea is to accommodate these elements into this bag and show you how this actually works out. So let's start with the camera. So this is the camera I had. This is Sony a7 III, but ideally any SLR or DSLR camera should work, because this particular shape, it fits this like just right in. I have the lens attached to it. Even with that, it's going in absolutely fine. I have a couple of more lenses. So there's a smaller lens over here. I can fit it over here. The large lens, I can fit it like this, but you will notice that this part is sticking out. So I remove this compartment and make space for it just like that. What else do I have? I have a reflector shield that I can put over here. This is a compact reflector shield. Once again, not enough space, not a problem. I remove this compartment like this and I put it right in. Still I have a lot of space, so I have this sound recorder, so I can put this sound recorder over here as well. And over in this compartment I can put my charging adapter, something like this. And there you can see there's like fits in perfectly. Over here there are a lot of pouches. So in one of these pouches I can put maybe these mics that I have. I'm going to put them over here. You can put them over here as well, but the purpose is the same. I can put my mics over here. And now let's close this particular zip and show you the others. So there are 2 more zips. This is the secondary zip, as I mentioned earlier. Sorry, this is the primary zip again. So this is the secondary zip right over here, and you'll notice there are some pouches here. So these pouches are good for carrying, say, something like a hard disk or an SSD drive. So I'll remove the wire, and all of these wires, etc., can go right next to it like so. I have some adapters over here as well. I can put them right next to this as well. And okay, and at the front, this particular pouch over here, this particular zip, I can put stuff like this is a card reader. For once you're done shooting, you can put the card reader over here. And additionally, you have, say, cards. Basically these are video cards for this particular camera, so you can put these over here as well. What else can I add? If you have, say, a base plate lying around, this is also where it can go, right over here. But additionally, you can, ideally you should be keeping the base plate closer to the camera, say in the primary pouch, so the primary zipper. So this is the primary zip. You can keep it anywhere basically over here. I'm going to keep it right over here. So this is it. This is what you find inside the bag containing the Amazon Basics backpack for SLR cameras and accessories. Thank you for watching.